in this class, any newcomers are there? Jivika, you are there from the beginning onwards?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Jocelyn also there. Arnav and Pradeep also is there from starting onwards, I think, right? Mubasir, what about you? You are there at the time of sets. Who is not there here at the time of sets?
Sir, I'm new student, sir.
Janani, when you have joined?
From Friday, sir. Last week Friday.
Okay. No problem. Jocelyn join. Okay. Jocelyn,
Sir.
what about other girl? I forgot his name.
Who, sir?
From your school only, one more girl is there, right?
No, sir. From my school, no one joined in Naran actually.
I forgot her name. Okay, fine. I forgot name. I can't remember their name. Fine. Hello. Fine. Yes. So I hope in this class who are there at, other than this one girl, everyone. Can you able to see my screen now? No? Yes.
No, sir.
Tell me. Yeah. Janani. I think other than Janani remaining and all, everyone is there in my class, I guess, right? The previous class. Jnanamay, I said, that time Jocelyn, I said about Jnanamay. Jnanamay, you're from which school?
Chaitanya, sir.
Yeah, okay. Fine. Yeah, Janani. Janani, respond. Hello. I think other than Janani, everyone is there in my class or not previous classes. Like you have attended my sets class or not? Say yes or no. Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You attended my classes, right? Everyone. Vaishnavi, you are there in my previous class. Like what sets class? You can talk directly. You can unmute yourself and talk. Vaishnavi, you can respond now. Fine. See, Jocelyn and all, you people no need to write, but the other girls are there, right? So let them write these notes. That's why I want to ask that. Janani, can you respond, please? Janani?
Sir?
Janani?
Sir?
Yeah, Vaishnavi.
Yes, sir.
Who is talking now? Janani or Vaishnavi?
Janani, sir.
Janani, you don't have my notes also, right?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
So better you can try to copy these notes, what I'm showing here now. The union of two sets is there, right? From there you can copy
Okay,
this.
sir.
Okay? Try to copy these notes.
Okay, sir.
So others, yeah, see.
Okay, sir.
Jocelyn,
Sir.
open your this one, what we can call as your volume can open and try to solve that volume level 1 questions, remaining students.
Okay, sir.
Anaga, do you have a volume?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Open your volume and try to solve that. Try to solve that level 1 questions of sets. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Pradeep, do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Because the remaining students, they can write these notes. Those who are new students to my class, I will teach for them. And remaining students, better already have known that means you can try to solve these questions. Arnav, respond.
Yes, sir.
Arnav, you are there from starting onwards, right?
Yes, sir.
So you solve it.
What, sir?
You solve level 1 questions from your volume.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Arya joined, huh?
Yes, sir.
Why are you late to the class?
Sir was checking results, sir.
You got result, huh?
Yes, sir.
What is your
Yes,
score?
Sir, very less, sir.
Tell me, it's okay, no problem. What else in that?
85.2, sir.
85.2. Good. Anyone got 90 above? Jnanamai,
Yes, sir. Yes,
how much Anaga?
94.4.
Okay. What about Jnanamai?
97.4, sir.
90?
7.4.
97.4, huh? Good. So do one thing. Tomorrow, you people come to college and bring the sweet box. Okay? Are you understand?
Sorry, sir, I was not able to hear you. Can you tell again?
We will celebrate. Bring the sweet box to college, I said.
Sir. What celebration, sir?
Why, Arya?
Oh, let's say what, sir?
That's okay, no problem. Janani, you copied, huh?
At least you got
Sir, I
85. I
copied.
got 79%.
Who?
Sir, Arnav, sir.
Arnav. Fine, Arnav, no problem. Percentage,
Sir,
nothing.
but still one thing is that
Sir,
we
but
don't
he's
know how marks
ICSE.
was given, sir.
Who is ICSE?
Arnav,
Sir, me,
sir.
sir, Arnav.
ICSE 79% means it's a very good score actually.
Sir, social went down, sir, 61%. Social was really bad.
Then who is else is there ICSE other than Arnav?
Jocelyn,
Jocelyn, you are
Sir.
ICSE, yeah?
Yes, sir. Yes.
What is your score?
90.
92, sir.
My God, excellent.
Sir, big brains, sir, big brains.
Okay, good. Who is there ICSE other than this? Harish, huh?
Yes, sir.
Harish ICSE student, right?
Yes, sir.
Good. Nice. Congratulations to all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Janani, you copied at the first page. I will explain.
Yes, sir, I copied.
Yes, Janani. Others, you please carry on your just volume question is all now. Any doubts, either you can ask me. I will explain this union of two sets. Janani, look at what's the meaning of union of two sets. For suppose here, look at this example, Janani. What's the given A equals to A1, A2, A3 or not? And B equal to what's the
Yes,
given?
sir.
A1,
A1,
B1,
B1,
and C1.
C1.
Now, when
B1.
you're going to be find A union B, the A union B is nothing but the set of elements in the A and set of elements in the B both combined you have to write, but don't write the common numbers. What's the common numbers here? Look at what's the common numbers.
A1, A1, A1.
So A1 don't write two times, only one time only you have to write this. Understand?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
For suppose, yeah, see, I'm asking this question, now tell me. Tell me, what's the A union B? Janani, tell me what's the A union B? 1,
3,
2,
2, 3.
3, 4. We have to combine all the numbers. These numbers and these numbers have to combine. But don't write 2, 3 two times. Only one time
Okay,
only you
sir.
write. Okay, that's the
Okay,
meaning of
sir.
A union B. Okay.
Okay, sir.
When you represent in the Venn diagram, in the circles, you have to represent like this. This total 2 circles we can represent as A union B. Write
Okay,
down these
sir.
note points. Write down these note points. Is the fourth note point you understand, Janani?
Yes, sir.
You know subset meaning? Yes.
Subset. Can you explain me again, sir? What's meant by subset?
Subset means, what's the meaning of subset? Yes. For suppose, what's the A set here? 1, 2, 3 or not?
Yes, sir.
These 1, 2, 3 numbers are there in the union B or not?
Yes, sir.
So that's why you can call as A subset of A union B. Subset means all the sets numbers must be there in this given set. If one number is also not there, it's not a subset. Example,
Okay.
look at on the top I'm writing here now. A equals to 1, 2, 3. B equals to 2, 3, 5. Now I'm saying that A is subset of B. Is it correct or wrong? Say, Janani, correct or wrong? It is wrong.
Correct only, sir.
It is wrong. Why? Because 1 is there here, right? 1 is not there here, right? Look at 1 is there or not?
Yes, sir.
The 1 number is not there
No,
here.
not there.
So that's why it is not subset. Understand?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Others also understand, right? You know remaining students about subsets and all. Tell me, Jocelyn, Anaga, Arya,
Yes, sir.
you people know about this, right?
Yes, sir.
Mubasir, Vaishnavi,
Sir.
Mubasir, you know about the subsets, right?
Yes, sir.
Fine, fine. Vaishnavi, what about you? Can you speak? Okay, okay. She said some wrong. Okay, okay, Vaishnavi. Correct, correct. Journey, don't feel bad. Any doubt is there, you can ask me. Okay? Understand, Janani? You're from which school, Janani?
Okay, sir. I,
Not in a school, huh? Okay. Now we can write about the intersection number.
okay, sir.
Yeah, see, Janani, what is the meaning of intersection? Yes, look at the diagram, we understand clearly. Intersection means between two sets, the common numbers only you have to write. Understand? The common numbers. See, look at these two sets. Which is the common numbers between these two sets?
2, 3, 4.
That's all answer. The common numbers only you have to write. Don't write anything else. Now, 1, 2, 3. Janani, tell me which is the common number between these two? Any common number?
No, sir.
No. That's why it is a null set. Yes, you write this definition. Now, after writing the definition, look at here now. Second point. Look at the second point. Everyone in the class, look at the second point. Jocelyn, read the second point. Arya, read the second point. Second point, you read now.
If
No,
A
sir.
intersection B is a null set, then A and B are called disjoint sets, sir.
Very good. A and B are called disjoint sets. When two sets are disjoint sets, the intersection will be always null sets. Okay. Anuga started solving.
Yes, sir.
Sir, is a relation also there, sir, for this week?
Only sets, son.
Then easily we can score about 90, sir, this week. It's
Sir, but
very easy.
relations is there.
This week,
Like a little, like very small part of it is there.
let me see.
So Cartesian product and properties, then domain range. That's all.
Okay. Only Cartesian product is there, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Cartesian product and domain and range is there. Then relations is there, Amma. Functions are not there, only relations are there. Okay.
Sir, sets, relations, and very small part of sequence and series.
Sequence and series very small part is there. What my planning is next week I'll start do that. Which one? Release sequence and series again.
Sir, then will they be sending the schedule like this every week, sir? Like
Which one-
before
which
they
one?
gave us a
Better
PDF.
if they send one PDF.
Yes, sir. This is like very confusing.
Who sent that PDF?
No, sir,
No,
they didn't
sir,
send any
for-
PDF. They sent 3
They
pics for
sent Excel
chemistry, maths, and
profile,
physics.
Excel sheet, sir.
Who sent?
Naresh, sir.
Naresh, sir.
Only 3 pages he sent, huh? But
Sir, only for this week.
no. What I'm saying that in our group they've sent one schedule, right? In group,
Yes, sir.
in the group it is given, right? Clearly.
Yes, sir, but that is only for this week. Only 1 week they have sent.
Next week also I have continuation.
Okay,
Wait, I
sir,
will-
but so will they be sending like this like every week? Because
No, 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 no.
Uh,
It's a no. I have a schedule, right? What I have a schedule. It's a total week schedule is there. Means total syllabus schedule is there.
Sir,
okay,
I'm
sir.
sending a schedule, sir. In that schedule, it is mentioned relations is also there, and even sequence and series one topic is there, sir.
Sequence and series only
Just
small,
the
topic, right?
definition is given, sir. Definition of sequence and series.
Yes, yes, definition. See, I will send one schedule now, but it's in the group already in our group. JIIT course call. See, look at now. Look at I just now sent. This is one schedule, right?
So that only, sir.
In that they're not given week by sorry, total they given, right? Everything is there, right? Next coming weeks also it is there. Correct, Jocelyn?
Yes, sir. I think I never noticed this.
Yeah. Journey finished her writing.
Yes, I finished.
So look at the power of a setup. What is the meaning of power of set? I've given with the definition. Then others solve that volume 1 questions, level 1 of sets and relations questions you can solve. See that all the possible subsets. Look at here now. Journey. A set equal to what is have taken? 1 to 3 or not?
Yes, sir.
A equal to 1 to 3. Now I'm going to write all the possible subsets of A set. All the possible subsets of A set is nothing but yeah, see, singleton 1 is subset of 1, 2, 3. Singleton 2 is subset of 1, 2, 3. Like each and every number will be subset of 1, 2, 3. So I counted total number of subsets. If you take single number, or if you take two numbers, or if you take 3 numbers, it will be subsets. Okay. So that's the reason I wrote here say total number of subsets 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2 you can take, or 1, 3 you can take, 2, 3 you can take, or all the numbers you can take. And what is the last one, Journey? What we can call as this as? Any idea?
So
You
you
can take
told
this
this before, but I don't remember. Sir.
empty set. What we can call as
Empty,
empty set.
empty set.
So empty set is subset of every set. Okay. Understand? You write down as a one point here now. Empty set is subset of every set. So that's why this is called what? Generally tell me what we can call as
Empty set.
empty set. So look at Journey.
Sir,
Look at my question is, if I give now the numbers A, B, what's the possible number of subsets for this? Tell me. Singleton A, singleton B, singleton AB, sorry, not singleton, A comma B, and null set. Count the total number of subsets, Journey.
1, 2, 3, 4.
4 or not. So every time we no need to write by counting by this way. That's why I've given one formula. Look at it in the box. I've given formula. What's the formula given? P of A equals to
2 power n.
n is nothing but the number of elements in the set. See, look at in the first set, what's the total number of elements? Only
Three.
3 elements are. So 3 elements are there means 2 power 3. What's the 2 power 3 value? 2 cube. How much?
Eh,
Look at 8
Eight.
subsets. Look at 8. Look at the second one. 2 power how much we have take? 2 or not? Journey.
4.
4. See 1, 2, 3, 4. Understand? This is a way to remember the power of a
Yes,
set.
sir.
Finish the journey writing.
Yes, sir. I finished writing.
Now universal set and complement set. Write down about these two. Universal set and complementary set. If people are solving questions or not,
Hello. Hello.
Janama, you're solving volume questions.
Sir, no, sir. Actually, I missed set some topics, sir. So I'm copying the notes.
Which topic is missed up?
After the power set, sir.
Okay. What about Arnav?
Yes, sir.
Solving or not?
Yes, sir.
Anaga?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I don't know all of you. The set containing. Look at journey. Read
Yes,
this.
sir.
Read this, Amma.
Universal set, sir.
This only the box one you can read.
Example.
Real
Real
number
numbers
is
is universal set on whole.
yes.
Universal set
Yeah,
on whole numbers.
whole numbers. You know, whole numbers means it start from where? 0 or not?
0. 0.
This is whole numbers. Real numbers means from where to where? Negative numbers to positive numbers or not?
Yes, sir.
Correct? So all these numbers will be there, the whole numbers or not?
Yes, sir. It will be.
That's why universal set means, for suppose one small set I will take in the circles. In the circle I will take this is the whole number. Then real numbers will be that one of the whole number set or not? Okay,
Yes, sir.
that's what I explained that universal set. And the second one, complement of a set, I'll explain. Generally, do you have a textbook is there with you?
Yes, sir. I have.
Okay. Open your textbook, exercise 1.2. Exercise 1. You copied a previous one. Hello? Journey.
Yes, sir, I open.
You copied or not, you can check notes. Don't be hurry, slowly only you can copy. Finish the copying journey.
Yeah.
Copied and finish the copying.
Yes, sir, I finished copying.
Now open your inside the textbook, Amma. Inside the textbook, look at the first question, exercise 1.2
opened
first
it.
question. Exercise 1.2 first question is what's the given?
Which of the following are the examples of null set?
Null set, right? What's the first question given? Odd numbers
Set of odd natural numbers divisible by 2.
tell me, odd number is
2.
divisible by 2. Is it correct or wrong? Any odd
No,
number is
sir,
divisible by
wrong.
2? We can't divisible by 2, right? That's why it is a null set.
Yes, sir.
It is a null set.
Okay, sir.
Write down in the textbook itself. Null set.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Next one. Look at the second question.
Set of even prime numbers.
Even prime numbers means compulsory even prime number, but number is there or not?
Okay.
Correct?
Yes, sir, 2.
2 is there. That's why it's not a null set. Null set means nothing will be there inside. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Look at the third question now. Just write down on your book or textbook itself.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Now look at the next question now.
Should I read it, sir?
Yeah. X less than 5. X greater than 7, right?
Yes, sir.
Tell me less than 5 some numbers. 1
4, sir.
4,
greater than
6,
7.
greater than 7, 8.
Is there any common numbers between these two?
No, sir.
That's what it is.
No, sir.
Null
Less
set.
than sets.
It is a null set.
No, sir.
Understand, Janani?
Understood, sir.
Okay. Go to the next question.
Which of the following sets are finite or infinite sets?
Yeah. Is it parallel lines will be intersect?
No, sir. They
No,
won't
sir.
intersect.
That's what it is null set. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Next one. Anu. What is the second question given? Which is a finite set and infinite set, right?
Yes, sir.
Finite set means countable set is called finite set. Okay. If we not able to count, it is called infinite set.
Okay, sir.
Now we will check that which is finite and which is infinite. The given the set of months in a year. Set of months of a year. How many months in a year?
Finite.
Finite set. 12 months, right?
12. Yes, sir.
So 12 months means is a countable numbers. So that's why it is finite. Look at the second question. 1, 2, 3 dot given. Dot means it is what?
Infinite.
Where we have to stop? We don't know. That's why infinite. What about the third question?
That's all. That's fine, sir.
Very good. Like you can write the remaining questions also. Write down the remaining things also same way. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now can you able to do the third question? Third question also same thing or not?
Yes, sir. I'm doing.
Okay. Harish, who left the class?
Yes, sir. Checking.
Someone left the class, right? Jocelyn?
Yes, participant count is down.
Okay.
Sir, I think Vaishnavi.
Yeah, Vaishnavi and the other guy, Mohammed, someone is there. Bashir.
Mubashir, sir.
Mubashir.
Sir, can you teach symmetric of two sets again?
Symmetric of? What, Harish?
Symmetric difference of two sets. A delta B also.
A delta B. What's the meaning of symmetric between two sets? A minus B union. You know how to find A minus B?
Yes, sir.
You know how to find B minus A?
Yes, sir.
It's nothing but only A union.
Only B.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Journey. Look at the fourth question, Journey. What's the ask us to find?
State whether A equal to B or not.
See, when they're A equal to B means, for suppose, look at example. For suppose the first question, A, B, C, D. What's the B set they given? D, C, B, A. The inside the numbers are alternate, but same numbers are not, both the sides. Inside.
Yes, sir.
So that's why A equal to B it is. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
For suppose third one you can see. Third one. What's the given? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And again. Look at the third one.
Yes, sir. X
A
is
equal to
to
10.
X.
Positive integers less than 10. Positive even integers less than 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. But you can look at the second one. What's the second one they given? A equal, what is the given second one?
In A 4, 8, 4, 8, 12, 6, 16. In B,
Yeah.
they have given 8, 4, 6, 16, 18.
8, 4,
16, 18.
16, 18. Look at This both the numbers are same numbers or different numbers? 8 is there, 8 is there. 4 is there, 4 is there. 16, 16. But 12 and 8 are different. That's why A is not equals to.
B.
It must have same numbers. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now we'll go to the next exercise, number 1.3. Look at 1.3. And textbook only can write this. 1.3. Tell me, Anaga, what is the given? Oh, you don't write in this. 1.3, what is the given number? Tell me. What is the asked us to find? Subset R. Okay, Janani, this symbol is called what we can call as
Subset.
subset. Or this is say that not a subset. I explained about the subset. Look at 2, 3, 4. Is there or here also or not?
Yes, sir.
That's why it is subset. But you look at ABC and BCD, which is not there here.
A.
Very good. A is not there in the A does not belongs to the BCD. So that's why it is not subset. Next, tell me third one subset or not? Journey. Third one is subset or not? 11th standard students in a school and total number of students in a school. Simple.
It's subset only, sir.
It is subset. Fourth one now. Tell me the fourth one subset or not. Yes, I have given examples here. Janani. This first one, what is the radius I've given?
Hmm?
The first one radius, how much the given radius? One or not?
Yes, sir.
Second one radius, what is the given second circle radius? 2. Third circle radius? 3. Is subset of a radius of circle 1. Subset or not?
No.
So where is the example, sir?
It is not a subset. Tell me, Amu. Hello?
Sir,
Yeah.
which question were you talking about?
I'm talking about question number 4. First, the fourth bit. In first one, fourth bit. First
Okay,
one, the given 4 points or not? First one, second one,
yes, sir.
third one. Look at the fourth one. What's the fourth one they given?
Circle in the plane.
Oh, that one only. Circle in a plane. You understand the diagrams? Can I explain this?
Yes, sir.
Shall I explain or
Explain.
understand?
Yes,
Shall I explain?
yes, sir.
Yeah, see. For suppose in a plane there are circles are there. In this plane circles, it can be 1 unit circle is there, or 2 unit circles is there, radius. Or radius 3 unit circles also there are not.
Yes, sir.
Correct? X is a circle. But here what's it given? A circle with a radius. Only how much?
1.
1. Now they're saying 1, 2, 3 is subset of 1. Correct or wrong?
Correct.
Tell me. Why? Because here 1 is there, but 2, 3 is not there or not? 2, 3 is not there, right? That's why it is not a subset.
Yes, sir.
Understand? Here 1 is there, here 1 is there, but 2, 3 is not there in the set. That's why it is not a subset.
Okay.
Generally understand journey?
Yes, sir.
We'll go for the second question. Look at it. Second question, if you understand, it will be very clearly you can understand everything. Anaga, any doubts?
No, sir.
Jnanamai? Pradeep? Pradeep, respond. Hitesh? Arya, any doubts?
No, sir.
You're solving these questions, right? Volume questions. Arya?
Yes, sir. Solving in the evening.
Okay. Look at Janani's second question. They said it is not subset. Is it subset or not? Janani?
Yes, it's
Hello?
subset.
It is subset actually, correct?
Yes, sir.
Because whatever the numbers is there, same numbers is there, but they said it's a not subset. That's why false it is. Now look at the second one. What's the vowels in the alphabet?
A, E, I, O, U.
See, this E comma E will be there or not here.
Yes,
That's
sir.
why it is true always. Why the next one is false? Can you tell me? Why it is false?
2 is not there.
Very good. 2 is not there. That's all. 2 is not there. Read the question number 5.
Sir, in 5 there is A, but why false, sir?
Which one?
Which one?
Fifth one, na? Yes. Why it is false, I will explain. A belongs to small a comma b comma c. This is always true. Understand? If we can write the set symbol,
Yes, sir.
set symbol means you don't use a belongs to, you have to use a subset. Okay,
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
that's why it is false.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, can you explain exercise to fourth one?
Exercise
2, sir.
from volume,
Yes, sir.
I'll explain. I'll explain it. I'll explain. Okay.
Yes.
Let me explain this third question. After that, I'll come to that.
Okay.
It's not there in my old class work,
Sir, it's there.
but not understand. Okay, I'll explain. Yeah. Generally, look at the third question now. We can able to do that very clearly. Look at Generally.
Sir,
Look at. See, this 3 comma 4 I have taken as A or not. Look at Journey.
yes, sir.
This 3 comma 4 with the curly brackets I have taken A or not. Now tell me,
Yes, sir.
A is belongs to capital A na, or A is subset of capital A na? Which is correct? I'm asking the question. A belongs to capital A or A is subset of capital A? Which is correct among these two? In the previous question I explained, right? You asked me.
Subset of capital.
See here I explained, right? A subset of means wrong it
This
is.
is subset.
Belongs to means correct it is. Correct or not?
For capital A,
belongs-
sir.
A belongs to A is correct. Okay.
Okay, sir.
That's why, yeah, see. The belongs to A is true. Subset is false. Understand?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Third one is also true again because Anaga, you know these questions?
Yes, sir, we've done all this, right?
Yes, we have done, but once again you can check these things and all proper.
Yes, sir, understood.
Janani, look at the fourth one number.
Sir.
Fourth one. One belongs to A, correct or not? But one is subset of A is false. I will repeat again. If curly brackets is there, then subset of A is correct. Okay?
Okay, sir.
If number is there, it must be belongs to should.
Yes, sir.
next term. See, 1 to 5 is what I said, curly brackets, right? 1 to 5 subset of A. True it is. Next, the given belongs to, false it is. Okay. Check on Janani.
Sir,
7th and 8th one, understand? 7th one, 8th.
1 minute, sir.
Okay, okay. Your brother, I think, is talking.
Sir,
Yeah, 7th, 8th one, understand or not?
yes, sir, I'm
Seventh
seeing
one.
that.
Okay.
Yes, sir,
7th
understood.
one. Okay, good, good. Then the remaining questions also easy. That is, empty set is subset of every set. Empty set is subset of every set. Finish the third question, Janani.
Finished, sir.
Very good. Okay, this is a formula. Fourth question, what is the given fourth question? Tell number of. What is the last question to find? Write down the. What's the
Write
fourth
down all the
question?
subsets of the following sets.
Yes, all the subsets. See, I've given the formula, all the subsets. Today only I've given the formula. 2 power n or not.
Yes, sir.
What's it? First set, how many elements are there? Tell me. Only one element or not?
1 element, sir.
That's a 2 power 1 equals to how much? 2.
2.
In the second set, how many elements are there?
2.
So that's a 2 power how much a light?
4.
Very good. 4. In third set, how many elements are there?
3.
2 power 3. What's the 2 power 3?
8.
See, look at the answers. Very good. Just copy that.
Okay, sir.
Next, what's the question number 5?
How many elements has P of A if
Yeah,
A
P
equal
of
to what's the
A equal to what's given? See, this is A equal to the given, this is right. This is called phi. We can call this is null set. What we can call as null set. Null set means how many elements are there inside? Zero elements.
0 elements. Sir.
Okay, 0 elements. The last question, power of A. What's the formula of given number of subsets? 2 power n or not?
Yes.
What's
Sir.
the n value?
0 is 1. Sir.
Yes. N value is how much? 0
One.
elements.
N value is 0, sir. So what is that element, sir?
Which element? This one, huh?
Power of set, that's like, okay, no, I think one possible subset.
One possible subset. That will be the set itself.
Yes, sir, it will be the set itself as
Yeah.
null set is subset of itself.
Yes. Understand, Janani?
Yes, sir, I understood.
This is called null set. Okay, this sign is called null set.
Okay, sir.
Finish, Rama?
Finished,
Janani.
sir.
Now,
Finished.
everyone in the class, not only Janani, everyone. Okay, write on this intervals, all of you. Please note it down, this all of you. Jocelyn,
Yes, sir.
write on this intervals. Rama. Why is our sending now? All the results is there out, right? Finish the writing? Yes, yeah.
Yes, sir. Finish.
Yeah. I will explain about this journey. Okay. Yes. Whenever this inequality is less than or equal to is there, that's the meaning you have to apply closure bracket. If it's only less than is there, you have to apply that open bracket. Now, if you understand these first 2 points, in the third point, where is less than or equal to is there, where is equal to is there, B or not? For A, there is no equality. That's what right here now x belongs to A comma B close. In fourth one, which is there, A is closed bracket, B is open bracket. Understand?
Yes, sir.
The same way I've solved it is -4 and 6 is there. We like sorry, -4 open side and 6 closed side. Here both are not there. Look at now the examples. Finish writing this sixth one. Journey.
Yes, sir. Finished.
Now try the seventh one, same way. Seventh one opposite way they given. Try the third one, seventh one. Look at the seventh one, sixth. What is the second one? They given 6, 12. Does it meaning 6 is included and 12 is also included?
That's also included, sir.
Yeah, both are included meaning. Finish the journey writing.
So writing, sir.
Okay. Solve it now. Janmai, you know this all the points, right?
Sir?
You know all these questions, right?
Yes, sir. Some of them I know, sir.
Okay, fine. But in 1.4, you know solve how to solve this, right? 1.4.
Yes, sir. Yes,
1.5.
sir.
Fine. Finish the journey?
Finished, sir.
Chalo. Okay, tomorrow we'll discuss. Tomorrow I'll start that volume questions. Anything else is there? Shall I close the class now, Anaga?
Thank you, sir.
Okay, bye. I love you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Thank you,
Bye,
sir.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Good evening.